Don't try this at home.
No, I've done a few things at home. We're at Grassy Waters Elementary today. I'm working with Mr. Esteban Woods. He's one of our senior HVAC techs from the maintenance department. 179 schools, 30 million square feet of air-conditioned space. We've got grounds, they have to be maintained. Think of your own home, but on a huge scale. It takes a team of people to keep all that working properly.
This is what you call a capacitor.
Today we were troubleshooting a couple of units that were actually keeping our dry food storage cool and our mechanical room.
High capacity is dead.
We found a blown fuse, so we were able to fix that. The other repair is a little more significant, and the unit's 19 years old, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. It's functional and it's fashionable, right?
Yes.
Back in 2016, the voters approved a 1-cent sales tax, with half of that money goes to schools. A big chunk of it's going to what we call facility renewal, which means keeping up with our maintenance. I think people take things like running water, electricity, cool air for granted, until they break. We try to avoid disruptions, and it's so critical. This is preventative maintenance, right? We're cleaning the coils. You just hose them down, top to bottom, and you do the outside, you also do the inside. I'm really impressed with Mr. Woods. He graduated from Pokey High. I'm glad he stayed in the community here to help us out. He's been with Dish about 5 years, and he knows his stuff.
You always want to blow it down a week.
Okay, and he's proactive in getting things repaired. He saved me from getting shocked earlier today, so I'll be forever in his debt.